What's good, Schmitty squad? Welcome back to another video. Your boy's freaking freezing. It's like, what time is it? 7:30 in the morning right now. It's been a rough night, but I'm up. I'm ready to go. Let's start this day off. Alright guys, so the reason I'm up so early, my house has been out of power for the past 3 days. It's been 3 days now, no heat, no electric, no shower. I mean, I did shower yesterday at my friend's, but no heat. So my house is literally so cold. I've been huddling up under the blankets. Buddy, I know you're freezing too. Trying to keep him warm as well. It's 29 degrees outside today, so it's just as cold inside. Basically, it sucks. Last night, I could literally see my breath. Check this out. Like, I'm not gassing it when I tell you it's freezing. I feel like I'm on that show like Survivor because I'm literally trying to survive. But yeah, the reason for the power outage is that we had a super bad winter storm. Knocked down so many power lines. I think they said 130,000 people were out of power. So it literally wrecked my whole county. Everyone's out of power. Some people are starting to get it back. Of course, I'm not. My luck. But yeah, that's the deal, guys. It really sucks. Stay there. Stay warm. I'll see you. Really? Really? Stay. Come on, dude. Dude, our house feels colder than it does out here, bro. I know. Mom's up right now, sitting in her car warming up. Oh yeah, guys, by the way, every gas station also ran out of gas because the trucks couldn't come. So I've been on E for a couple days. I'm just going for it. It's freezing, guys. I don't know why for the past couple weeks my car has been completely out of heat. So everything about my life right now is just freezing. Yo, look right here, guys. I've been testing my luck these past couple days. I've been driving under this every single day. That thing just looks like it's about to fall. Oh! And that's on a main road, so just imagine what the back roads look like. It's a mess. All right, road closed. I'm late to Sarah's. Your boy's feeling reckless today. Let's see what's down here. Okay, well, now I know why the road is closed. We still going, though! Oh my gosh, that was so sketchy. My car almost hit the wires, but we're good, we're good. Holy, yo, that tree looks like it's about to fall too. Jeez. Well, I made it through the road closing because there's another sign here, which means I just made it through that whole section. Felt like I was risking my life a little bit. We made it! Nigga, we made it. Hey. Let's go! Damn. Oh shoot, maybe that's why it's closed. You trying to give me power back or what? Another sign. Road closed ahead. Psych! Are you serious? Another road closed. Nah, I'm just kidding. That thing has always been there. Jeez. Alright guys, well I made it to Sarah's without dying. That was super sketchy. Oh, Sarah! That's how you piss her off. Who is it? It's me!
Oh, it's just you.
Let's go!
I can't see.
We got a beautiful day ahead of us.
It's so nice.
It's sunny, it's warm. What's good? I love it how I fist bump my girlfriend on the vlog. Yo, say what's good to it!
What's good?
I'm sorry guys, I'm hyped. Basically, we're going hiking. I feel like that's the only thing to do this time of year. We're gonna go stop at my house, pick up Buddy, and then we're out. It's gonna be a fun day. Alright, so I'll meet you at my house, we'll get Buddy, and then we're out.
Hey!
Let's go! Oh, Buddy! Yo, what the? Dude! Get off the roof! Get inside, bro. Get. Buddy. Hey. Yeah, it's cold in here, bro. You ready to go outside? Hey. Let's go. We're taking Sarah's car this time. Last time you threw up in my car. Hey. Yo, if he throws up in here, I'm so sorry. That's all I gotta say.
I'm sorry because you're cleaning it.
Oh! No, I'm not. Buddy, you throw up, I kill you. Buddy. Yo, why are you stepping all over her stuff? I think Buddy's driving this ship today. Yo. Yeah, honestly, just give him the
What's gonna happen
wheel.
when
Give
I
him the
stop?
wheel.
What's gonna happen when I stop? Is he gonna fly?
Alright, we came up with a solution to get Buddy down. He's out the window now. Hey, look at him. What a gentleman. We're here.
Oh my god.
Go free. Yeah. For a second, guys, he was like wanting to go to the back of the car. I thought he was gonna throw up, but luckily he didn't. He held it together. Good stuff, bro. We're actually at the spot where we used to go cliff jumping a lot. We don't really have time to hike today. So we're just gonna go look at the waterfall, look at the cliff jumping spot, see if it's jumpable for this summer. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
We're going a lot this summer.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, expect cliff jumping all the time, guys. Buddy, let's go. Good boy. I should probably take the leash off. It's so muddy here just because of the storm the other night. Fun fact too, guys, we're kind of screwed. We're getting another 8 inches tonight of snow, and I still don't have power, so we're probably looking at, I don't know, a couple more days without power. This crap sucks. Let's go, dude. Keep up. All right, we're going a little bit off trail right now, but look at this tree. Jeez, literally snapped in half, and that's a big freaking tree.
Oh my god.
I'm sure we're gonna see many more.
Over that tree too.
Yeah, that thing wrecked everything. All right, let's go, buddy. Hey.
That one's good. That one's good.
Let's go, guys. What?
Oh my god.
I have terrible balance. Let's go.
You can do it, focus. Because it looks like it's gonna.
Yo, hold up. Get out of the water.
What are you doing?
Oh, the leash is wet.
Oh my god, he's the most retarded dog.
Oh, you were going swimming, bro? It's like negative whatever degrees. You, my friend, are an idiot. How cold is it? Holy! Yo, it's freezing. Buddy, I swear, bro, get back here. Would you look at this, guys? Another tree fell. Yo, chill, it's so slippery. Let's go, babe. Come on, buddy. Hey.
Okay.
Hey.
Buddy, 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 buddy.
Hey, buddy, chill. Buddy almost got into it with another dog.
Look at his back.
You need to chill. Hey, buddy, get back here, bro. This has consisted of us just chasing him the whole time. Yeah, you like the waterfall, bro? Here you go, bro.
Buddy, come here.
We made it.
Yay. There he goes now.
Alright guys, while we're here, we're reminiscing a little bit. 2 summers ago, me and Sarah's like first date was right here at this spot, and for some reason the video I made got deleted off my channel. So I'm gonna throw it in, guys. Here's a little throwback to summer. Took place right at this beautiful waterfall. I can't wait for summer, that's all I gotta say.
Me too.
Alright, boy, we're headed out. Let's go. Let's get it. Bye, waterfall. Ah!
Get out of my face.
Alright, we're coming to have a nice dinner date at a pizza place. Even though I eat pizza and no gas, guys, probably like 6-7 times a week. Let's go eat some pizza. So guys, we just got back from a nice dinner date. Here's the thing, guys, we're getting snow again tonight. I don't know where I'm sleeping tonight. I gotta figure stuff out. This is crazy.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, listen, it is later in the night. I realized earlier this morning I didn't film any gym footage because I was so focused. I was going hard, but I'm back now. I have nowhere to go. I have no power, so we're gonna go hard at the gym. Let's go, second workout in the day. Ah! Let's go, Gary! Go! Ah! Alright, And we're boxing, guys. You know what? Gary doesn't want to do this. We're boxing. Now, if you're a hater, I can't box.
Watch out, big baller brand. Watch out, just for the fam. Watch out, abstracts.
Yo, you good, bro? You good?
Yo, my bad.
Yo, get him up. Yo, what the?
Yo, what just happened, dude?
My bad. Yo, you got
the world star hip hop king of the Dow. Yeah. Hey! That's gonna wrap it up at the gym. The snow's starting to come down. We're actually crashing at Devin's tonight. The Nasi is coming with. Hopefully.
I hope. I don't know yet.
But yeah, guys, that's it for boxing. Oh!
We both was off the go and swerving in my coat. The pressure setting in, so grab my medicine.
So we're at McDonald's right now. Thanasi and Devin are in front of us. Check this out. What, bro? Just trying to get some McChickens,
bro.
What? Chill.
Yeah, I wanted to make a scene for that lady over there.
We didn't even know you guys were getting McDonald's too. Look at this. The snow's coming down. What?
Is it epic?
Yeah,
Nice
dude, it
shot?
actually looks nice.
Yeah, I just gotta get 5 McChickens.
Is that what you ordered?
Yeah.
I called it.
Yeah.
I was literally like, Nas is definitely getting 5 McChickens after the gym.
Every day.
It's insane.
Yeah, I gotta bulk up.
I'm trying, guys. I'm trying too. Snow's coming. Let's go.
The next day.
Alright, Schmitty squad, it is currently the next day. We have so much snow. Last night we ended up crashing at our boy Devin's house. Huge shout out to Devin for that. And today we have nowhere to go, so we spent majority of the morning in ShopRite. This is day 2 of the vlog. I'm keeping it rolling until I get power back. Let's go. Look at all this snow buildup. Yo, our lives are in G's hands right now. Let's go. Yo, it's coming down, bro.
Just to hit the studio. Now I'm eating steak and shrimp, bitch. I ain't eating sloppy Joe. Vacated for a second, lost myself. I was too busy getting.
We literally got such a crazy amount of snow.
So much snow.
I still don't have power. I'm depressed, guys. This sucks. Everyone's getting power but me. Just kidding. This is future Justin. That was from yesterday. I'm finally able to edit the video because your boy got power back. Finally, right? I think it was 5 days or 4 days total. Insane. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna catch you in the next one. I'm chilling, editing. This is getting posted the day of, so when you're watching this is when I'm filming this. Hope you guys enjoyed it though. I'll see you guys. Love you all. Peace.